You can expect a lot from the 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.